I'm just kidding. Yo, what's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Bay here. Thick it full. Alright, that's okay. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Ps5, man. Back at you another video, and today's a special video, if you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Slang. My lover came today. Put this motherfucker up in Best Buy, you know. Get y'all niggas a little review, you know, a little unboxing. I don't know if you niggas like it or not, but, you know, get a little unboxing of the Ps5. It's Sony Ps5, man. I got my shit, man. You don't understand how much trial and tribulation I had to go through to get this shit, man. I went through so much just to get this bullshit. I went sleepless nights just to get this. All my life I had to. Yo, the box, I ain't gonna lie, bro, the box is flimsier than the motherfucker. It's a cheap box, bro. You can tell, like, they slam this shit, bro. They slam this shit together, bro. I met this hard little chingling who made my fucking Ps5 beat his ass. My shit don't work. So I spent money on this one. I got a cheap one now. You know, I ain't spending no $5 on fucking video game. You niggas out your cotton picking mine. You think I'm doing that bullshit. But this is my first ever PlayStation 2. I was Xbox, man. Here's the box. Sheesh. They gotta be a thumbnail. Let's get into it, bro. Ooh. I'm so motherfucking happy, bro. You don't understand, bro. I got my TV set up over on the side so we can hook it up, man, and just, you know, do that shit right there fast and easy. And her, you know, it's gonna be a little, you know, hard looking, little, you know, this may be a little. This may be like a little, you know, a little hard looking, a little rough looking video, man, but I just want to get some unboxing for y'all. They got all these directions. Oh. So, we got the controller, and the controller is heavy. Let me go grab, let me do some work. Give me a second. My fault. I'm back. I got an Xbox controller, as you can see, and a PS5 controller. I whipped the PS5 controller. It's heavy as fuck. This shit's heavy as fuck. Like, I could knock a nigga out with how heavy this bitch is. This motherfucker shirt here is heavy as fuck. This shit ain't light. It ain't nothing to be. You feel me? It's heavy as fuck. It's small though. Is it small or the same size? Actually, the PS5 controller is bigger than the Xbox One X controller. It's kind of heavy, so this is like this shit's heavy as fuck on my hand. Maybe I'm used to gaming with lighter controllers. It may take me a while to get used to this, but this shit's heavy as fuck. You know, this controller. It's heavy as fuck though, but. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is that came with it. I guess it's the stand or whatever. I don't know what this is. HDMI cables. Yeesh. You give me good stuff now. First I'm holding the console, and the console is heavy. It's super heavy. I'm saying I can go grab my Xbox. This is bigger than my Xbox by a landslide. This shit is a tank. This shit is gigantic and it's heavy too. And it's built kind of weird. This is the PS5. This the front. I have the discless version because I'm not a millionaire. But this is the front. We got the air fans on top. I don't want to do all that slamming of it. This is a very precious console. This is the back of it. Plug your HDMI cords and all that in. It stands upright. And all that. Let's go with me and we're gonna set it up right now. I gotta set my camera up. Set my camera up. Right now, I gotta set my damn camera up. It's pretty easy to set up. It's not a lot of, I don't got to do a lot, you know? I don't got to do that much. The only thing I do is, it's just two things that I got to do. It's pretty easy. You're going to need the TV HDMI cord, so you can't be playing on your little 2006 ass motherfucking TV. Get your money up, nigga. Go get your TV, man. Get your little HDI TV, bro. Go to Walmart, bro. Get your little $100 TV, one nigga, and get set, bro. You can game in properness. You can game in proper ignorance, nigga. Gotta make sure this hit 10 minutes. I need all my ducats. YouTube better monetize this video too. You feel me? And I want to do a PS5 giveaway too, because I got another one. I want to do a PS5 giveaway. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll do a PS5 giveaway. You gotta comment PS5 me, please. You feel me? Here we go, we're about to get in action. It didn't come with an HDMI cord for my game though. It didn't come from my controller. It didn't come with nothing for my controller, so that's a little suspicious, you know. A little suspicious, a little weird. Okay, let me turn the game on. Turn the TV on. You turn it on all the way at the bottom. Woo. Yes, sir. Actually, I was incorrect. Came with something. This is a loading screen. Ooh! Oh yes, sir. Say the last. That's the last. Man, if y'all want to see some gameplay, tell me what y'all want to see, and I'm all for it. Rest. I like the simple, clean design of it too. Very simple, clean design. Control it up. Let's Yeah, I don't care about that. Optimize experience. Okay, I don't care about this. I don't read. Oh, so you get a big ass. Welcome to the PS5. Oh yeah, that's fire. Oh yeah, that's fire. It's my first time getting the PS5, man. Hopefully, I can enjoy this experience. It seems fun, interesting. You know, I'm gonna get Miles Morales 2K, man. Maybe I'll get some of the video games and play them for y'all. Hopefully, I can do that for y'all and entertain y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Tell all your friends about the channel, man. I'm out.